Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a fingerprint scanner works, step by step. First, the process begins when a user places a finger on the scanner surface. This can be on a phone, a door access device, a laptop, or an attendance machine. At that moment, the scanner starts reading the unique ridges and valleys of the fingerprint. Next, the scanner captures an image or pattern of the finger. Depending on the type of scanner, it may use light, electricity, or ultrasonic waves to detect the fingerprint. As a result, the device creates a clear digital view of the fingerprint pattern. After that, the system begins detecting important fingerprint features. It does not just look at the full print like a picture. Instead, it identifies special details such as ridge endings, bifurcations, curves, and other unique points. These tiny features are what make every person's fingerprint different. Then, the scanner converts this fingerprint information into a digital template. In other words, the system changes the fingerprint into coded data that a computer can store and use later. This is important because most systems do not save the fingerprint as a normal image, but as a secure digital pattern. Once the template is created, it is stored securely in the device or in a protected database. Usually, this data is encrypted to improve safety and privacy. Because of this, the fingerprint information is harder for unauthorized users to steal or misuse. Later, whenever the user wants access again, the finger is scanned one more time. The scanner captures the new fingerprint and creates a fresh reading from the current scan. This new scan is then prepared for verification. Afterward, the software compares the new scan with the stored template. It checks whether the ridge pattern, minutiae points, shape, and fingerprint position match closely enough. In many modern systems, smart algorithms help perform this comparison quickly and accurately. Finally, the scanner gives an access result. If the fingerprint matches the stored template, access is approved. On the other hand, if the fingerprint does not match, access is denied or flagged for another attempt or review. So, in simple words, a fingerprint scanner works by capturing a fingerprint, finding its unique features, converting them into a digital template, storing that data securely, and then comparing future scans to verify identity. That is why fingerprint scanners are fast, secure, accurate, and very useful for reducing fraud and controlling access. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.